I can't have you. I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right?
Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just wanted to give y'all like a quick little before and after before I show y'all the room with all the decor that I bought. Hopefully you've already seen the decor haul video, but I'm not sure if this is going to be combined with that haul video or not, but hopefully I don't know. I just want to get this done already. We are approaching the holidays and I want to start getting my holiday decor up as well. But before I do that, I need to show y'all just the regular everyday decor that will be in the room during the off season. So this is the before. Around. I'm going to be getting rid of that garbage pail soon. I ordered a garbage pail and it's pink, and those items from my Cricut, I'm going to have to find another home for those as well. I just haven't found one as yet. But this is the table. And my candlestick holder, my candle is kind of too big for the candlestick holder, so I'll have to find another candle for the candlestick holder, but I just left it there for now. Yeah, and the flowers, I may switch out from time to time between there and probably on the table, or maybe even on this table over here. Haven't really decided yet. But I got these cute pumpkins from, I want to say the Target, either the Target dollar spot or Dollar Tree. I can't remember which one. But yeah, I just wanted to put a couple of pumpkins in here because y'all know the theme in my house is pumpkins. And put the little greenery over there. So yeah, you guys, still a work in progress, but we're getting there. We are definitely getting there. So this is what we're looking like. I can hear them thinking out loud. Simple people acting so proud. I hear them talking about us. Yeah.
have a clue, hey. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no. They wouldn't know about us. They keep wishing that I'd fall in line. But you and me, babe, we're one of a kind. One might think it's obvious. Please don't spill your mind when you don't have a clue, hey. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no. They wouldn't know about us, us, us. They don't know about us,
Some of my candles, the batteries are, it needs batteries, so sorry about that. But the little ones are working, so you can see that.
They don't get it, babe. They don't know about us, babe. They don't know about us. They can think what they want, baby, but they don't know one thing. Even if they did have a glimpse of our truth, they wouldn't know about us, no. They wouldn't know about us. They don't know about I am stuck in the middle. Yeah, I'm stuck in between. I'm stuck in a position. I'm just a machine. So you're stuck in the middle, huh? I guess we're stuck in between. Life is a riddle, yeah. And I don't know what it means, no. This is what it feels like. But you're not alone, 'cause I'm just like you. Let's share out and hitchhike. There is nothing we can't do. Ooh, baby, as long as I got you. I'm gonna open up my eyes this time. Open my heart and do it with a smile. I'm gonna love.
Alright, you guys, so as you can see, put a lot of work into this room, but it's still a work in progress, y'all. So just hang tight with me. Y'all are gonna see some really, really pretty decorations. I still have to figure out what I'm gonna do with my wall. Now that all of my decor is done, as you saw, I have a couple of pieces on the wall, but this wall still seems to be really bare to me. So I gotta figure out like what I'm gonna do with the wall. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Feel free to give me some ideas of what I could possibly do with the wall. I definitely want to put up more shelving to display more of my work, because I have a lot of pieces just kind of hanging out. Also, I had to put some in the garage, just to kind of get stuff out of the room. So yeah, give me some ideas of what I can do to kind of like display my work and do to put things to put on my wall as well. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. This is really nothing to me. Like, this is really plain Jane to me. Wait till the holidays come, okay? We go ham in my house during the holidays, and I really went ham for my room for the holidays, with the exception of the walls. I do have a couple of pieces for the wall, but I still don't know if it's going to be enough. But the rest of the room, it's going to be on point, y'all. So make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me. It really helps my channel out. And I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I love and appreciate you all. Bye.